Right. How much does the BCS Foundation exam actually cost? So the exam itself is £200. That includes the £35 proctoring fee when you book directly with BCS. If you go through Pearson View, who also have it as an available exam to take at their testing centres, it's £204 total. Now you're gonna need the textbook, that's Business Analysis, 4th edition by Deborah Paul and James Cadle. Secondhand, you can pick this up for about £20. Brand new, it's £40. So your absolute minimum spend here is £225. So now we're looking at cost. Maximum cost could easily hit above £3,000 with a boot camp. But what's important to remember here is the exam doesn't care how you prepared for it. It doesn't care if you spent £79 on my Foundation Pro system, link in the description, or £3,000 on a 3-day residential course. As long as you know the answers to the questions, you'll pass. And that's it. So now I'm going to talk about realistic options because there are a number. You've got Udemy courses which run for about 50 to £100. You've got in-person boot camps that, as I've mentioned, can run up in the thousands, 2,000, £3,000. I've got Foundation Pro that's £79. It gives you 210 practice questions, 5 full mocks. But the point is this: pick what fits your budget and learning style. In person courses can be good for certain people. If you're someone that needs accountability, then that's great for you. But again, you're paying in the thousands for someone to hold your hand. Foundation Pro is perfect for busy people who want to use their downtime more effectively. So, people with full time jobs and young kids. But again, you need to be self motivated. What actually matters? It's not about how much money you spend on prep or resources, it's about getting those 26 questions right out of 40. I passed first time and I only used 4 things: the textbook, the official syllabus, official BCS mock exams, and spaced repetition practice. That was it. I had a full time job, I had a newborn baby. The total cost for me was under £250. People tend to think that spending more guarantees a pass, and it just doesn't. The examiner doesn't know if you spent £79 or £3,000 on a course. They only know if you can apply the concepts correctly in that 90 seconds that you have for each question. If you want to find out right now whether you're ready to pass or where your knowledge gaps are, I've got a completely free readiness quiz at bastack.com. It's 10 questions, it takes about 5 minutes, and it will give you a personalized score showing exactly what areas you need to focus on before you spend that £204 on the exam. That's it for now. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.